6 weeks from now, one or two things will happen. Either I will prove the consistency is really enough, or I will find out that I was wrong the whole time. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Paying beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm sturdy, that's You might have seen this on Instagram that I am on my 6-week mini fitness challenge, and I'm very excited for this challenge because I've been wanting to do this for long because I have been busy and सारी चीज़ें जो हुई इंडिया में थी, I was like traveling and all these things, so that's why I was like not कंसिस्टेंट और मैं ऐसी सिचुएशन में भी नहीं हूँ कि मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम करना है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा वेट लॉस करना है, ऐसा भी कोई पेज नहीं है. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू डू ए मिनी 6 weeks का चैलेंज. आई कैन ऑल्सो टेक यू थ्रू इन दिस जर्नी, और आई डोंट वांट टू बी द वन हु जस्ट पोस्ट द आफ्टर बिफोर का फोटो एंड नथिंग इन बिटवीन. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पोस्ट द आफ्टर बिफोर फोटोज, बट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर एवरीथिंग इन बिटवीन. एंड बाय द वे, इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, आई एम नीता. I am someone who helps people get fit, healthy, live a healthy lifestyle, and also like to come here to just share my daily vlogs, daily things that I do on a day-to-day basis. And so yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then do it right away, because you guys watch my videos but do not subscribe, and you have to watch the video till the end. Yesterday I went for a grocery shopping. I got everything that I needed, protein, carbs, healthy food, everything. To make it easy, I have divided the prep phase in 3 parts. If you want to start your 6 weeks ka challenge, so first thing that you will do is, okay, so your first step is step 1. Know your starting point. Okay, so your starting points are this, 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 this. Okay, and if there are any habits that you want to work on, then you also have to write down that. अगर आपको क्योंकि बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती है that we do on a daily basis that are not helping with our weight loss journey or the transformation journey, so you have to make sure that you track that. So you write down whether it's you consuming more alcohol, whether you smoke a lot, whether you don't drink enough water, so everything you need to write down so you can track it. Number 2 is this, and I also want to tell you that number 3 is very important, to watch the video till the end. First thing I did was decide exactly what my training is going to look like for the next 6 weeks. Before starting, ask yourself, how many days can I realistically train? What type of training I'm doing? What is my workout split and when I'm going to train? I didn't leave my workout to chance. I schedule them in my calendar because if it's not planned, it's usually first thing that I will skip when life gets busy. Most and important thing will be your nutrition. How I like to start it, I like to recall. I call it like a recall sheet. It will look something like this. Okay, so here I have written like what I like for breakfast, what I like for lunch, what I like for dinner. So I've written down everything. Now this is gonna give me an idea where exactly I'm going wrong, whether I have something excessive that I'm consuming here, whether there is something that I'm not consuming here, so this is going to give me the idea. This is going to be the first step of your nutrition plan. Once I know that what are the things that I need to change it, now I'm going to find a medium where I'm going to track everything, and that could be any app. That could be, if you're old school, then you can write it in the book, but I am going to make sure that I'm going to track everything that I'm going to eat. So if that is done, then you're going to figure out how many calories you are going to eat. If you're using an app, that will definitely going to give you an idea that how much calorie you should be consuming according to your height, weight, body type. And if you don't have an idea, this is the formula that you can use to track your calories. TDEE, that's your maintenance calories, and you need to eat less in order to lose weight. If you want to gain weight, then you need to eat more to gain weight. So that's how we're going to understand our calories, and that's when I'm going to plan my meals. for me on this challenge, I'm going to start taking creatine, which I have been taking it for a long time, but I think I had a break when I was in India, so now I'm going to start again with. Then I am also having omega-3. I got the premium voila this time because I want to make sure that it has a high quality of EPA and DHA probiotic, because I think I have not been eating a lot of items which are high in probiotics, so I am going to start with a supplement. Then I'm also taking a calcium supplement. This is prescribed to me by doctor, so I have to take that. And then I'm also taking my vitamins. Okay, so I got all my groceries that I needed for my meal plan. I got healthy carbs, all complex carbs. I'm trying not to have any processed food while I'm doing my challenge. Then I got healthy fats. I got leafy vegetables. I have a lot and lot of other options and source of proteins to make sure that I don't get bored. And also I also got electrolytes because I'm going to start working out, so I have to make sure that I am very well hydrated. Next video, I am also going to share how I feel and how my transformation is going. So stay tuned for the results. Stay tuned for how my challenge is going, and I'm going to update everything in the next video. Thanks for watching for this vlog. I know it's a small one, but yeah, I have to go, and I have a call right now, so I have to go and do my call. Bye. Love ya. Thank you so much for watching, but watch the full video. Bye bye. Take care.